I'm Wendy Atherton with Winston, Dane, Keller, Williams, Lake Norman. Welcome to 152 Sagemore Road, where this lakefront retreat has much to offer. With 111 feet of shoreline, buyers will not be disappointed with this 2/3 of an acre flat lot. Come and check it out. This home features 2 full bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. Buyers will love the renovated primary bathroom. And buyers will also enjoy the butcher block countertops in this large, open, spacious kitchen. And don't miss the newly installed deck outside where you can sip some coffee and check out the lake.